This is why you should never slide downhill on a tire. When these guys went on a hiking trip to the mountains, one of them got so tired that he couldn't climb anymore. They didn't have any cars, so only option left was to use their last tire. They had to send him home, but it turned out to be a horrible decision because after placing him in a tire and saying the last goodbye, he left them in the most dramatic way possible and went so fast that he almost made it out alive. Now, watch this amazing ride.